Joel, hi, Ketan here.
Hi sir. How are you, sir?
I'm good. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
IIM Bangalore. I know. It's a big deal. If I'm not wrong, you were with us for verbal full time program. Then you also did FFE.
Yes, sir.
है ना financial
Yes,
analyst
and
program भी
recently
करा
I
है.
joined for Crash Course also.
Perfect man, perfect. And you have also done the financial analyst program, right?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. कैसे लग रहा है भाई तुझे? I am recording your reaction, because I will be probably putting this up on YouTube just to tell people कि यार मेहनत करो and little bit of motivation. Can you give me 2 cents? Yeah, how do you feel now?
Speechless, always speechless.
तुझे लगा था तेरा बैंगलोर होगा?
Sir, I don't speak Hindi actually, sir.
Okay. Did you ever had this second thought in your mind that you will probably not be getting through or you'll be getting through Bangalore? How was it?
I was actually, my CAT score was only 80%. Okay, so I put in my full effort towards PA preparation. So I was after the interview, I have the confidence that I did pretty good in my interview, but somewhere in the back of the mind, okay, man, your CAT score is 88%. Will you get it? Will you get it? So I had a second doubt. But of course, I got into the good side and I got there.
Awesome. How does it feel now? How does it feel like, the journey is, I mean, it's going to be a new beginning, but how does it feel now?
So right now on top of your obviously. I mean, obvious for anyone. I mean, you should not ask this question. You will obviously know it because, but right now I need to look at the journey and I need to equip myself even more actually.
True, man. True. That's very true. That is absolutely true.
I will give myself tonight for just relaxing, and from tomorrow, I actually joined the college. So from tomorrow, I have to start my preparations. Again.
Perfect. Awesome. Any 2 cents from your side for the next generation who's actually preparing for CAT right now? What's going to be your advice? Because I'm very sure, when you were a year back at this moment, you must be hustling for your CAT prep and all that. So, how does it like? I mean, like, can you give these guys a little bit of advice? कि यार करना क्या है?
Sir, from my experience, even though if your CAT is even perform well in CAT, just give your full efforts on your PA. Those 2 months of preparation, whatever you have,
right?
Just give your best, and I would say that your ISP those tricky points for introduction yourself, right? Even the writing SOP, your guidance matter a lot to me. So I mean, yours was thoroughly different. I mean, even I attended some other PA preparation. There was it was more stereotypical there, but yours was. I was on the go actually. Whatever you did was very informative and very latest, actually to recent updates.
Right.
So I was able to incorporate those in my, and even in my PA preparation, I had a mock PA. I forgot her name actually, but she told certain points. That was informative. I took those points. So I actually attended my interview also, but that was major screw up. Okay.
Not a problem.
Actually, I had a bad day. We had bad day on that. So actually, March 3rd was my interview. March 4th was my Bangalore interview. Okay. And March 5th, I got admitted in hospital due to stomachache. I was during the throughout process of interview, I had a serious stomachache and I was in the hospital for 3 days. So I mean, but luckily in Bangalore interview, just half an hour, I didn't have any pain, luckily. So I had the mental, physical pain as well, but I was mentally equipped actually. After the interview, that night, I didn't prepare much. I was just going through, I used to take some notes during the classes, ISP classes. So just going through that and some latest news. That's it. Night, I prepared. You used to mention EQ, sir. I understood there. Because most of the classes, you are pretty much focused on EQ. So you actually, whatever you do, you just continue, sir. You don't need any feedback from me or any other students. Whatever you do, I prefer that would be the best.
True, man. Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot, man. Joel, I'm also going to have you on, we're going to do the YT live, for kids, just have them understand what to do and what not to do. And amazing. What's your background look like? Like, is it a, are you a GEM, like general engineering main, or you are a
OBC category, sir.
Acha.
91%, 91 in 10th, 92 in college, 12th and 92 in college.
And graduation?
So all 90 plus in my CATs.
Holy shit.
And 24
Amazing. Yeah, because that's why, see, having a category, that's not a problem, but again, converting at that level, at that percentile is a really, really great achievement, man. So congratulations, man, and have fun, pick up some stuff tonight and enjoy yourself, buddy. I'll get in touch with you again. Okay, bye, Joel. Bye. Bye.